Get does my wrist job. Alright. Yeah, so basically for gold at least, I haven't checked Nas yet, but I was just saying that we should consolidate, right? We should be consolidating until tomorrow. I want to see it do that. Right now, as you can see, after that big dump, knowing that we still have a chance, I'm waiting for a perfect setup. I would like it to just simply take out this generator buy side, tap into here, and potentially get pushed down. To be honest, to what? Where? It depends. Whatever standard deviation really points at, I'ma just be interested in take the trade off of. But I like how we're consolidating perfectly. I want about two more of these things right here. Like I said, I drew this for a reason, and look at it. I drew this right here, by the way. It was just random. It was just intuition trend squeeze. That's what I wanted to see. Got one push, boom. I already bounced off of that. Perfect. So all I'm looking for on gold, consolidate, give me another opportunity to sweep in, either tagging into this wick, right? Maybe a potential, right? A potential buy right here. A potential. Is that high probability? Probably not, to be honest. But I'll look for something. I'm not gonna force nothing though. I do still think we're bearish, so I would definitely want to see tap into this, maybe go down. I already said that, but man, we have a lot of sell side. Honestly, we have buys right there. Oh, what the frick? Buys right there. Buys right here. Buys right here. We have a whole lot of buyers, right? And if we just draw this one big thing, to be honest, let's just draw from this, whatever. We have a whole lot of buyers right here, taking buys off of the supply zone, so I guess you can say the same thing from out here, but I'll still be looking to take shorts because we created that weekly SMT on gold. Weekly SMT plus a whole lot of buyers right here, so I'm definitely looking for this to be taken out. 101%. Going on Nas though, let me go in there real quick. I haven't seen really. Good thing is we did retrace. Like I said, I'm not really taking, and I'm about to honestly restart my chart because the stuff is like, I was saying we're gonna have probably sell opportunities from this, for a rank gap right here, which it looks like we're probably not, to be honest. We have this breaker block. Here, what breaker block is that? I think I moved it somehow. Cause that's not a breaker block unless I went an hourly. Yeah, nah, what breaker block? The frick, I meant to mark this. My bad. We got this breaker block over here. Right. Let's look at OT. Where's OT? Oh my gosh, where's the high at, as a matter of fact? Sorry. I don't think, they didn't create a wick. So, see OTE. Yeah, perfect. So OTE is right in this breaker block. That's actually perfect. And yeah, so I'll be want to take trades off. I want to see some sell opportunities on at OTE. To be honest, we are bouncing from this 2 to 2.5. Can we just absolutely reverse? Is there any possibility? Let me see. Babe, we can definitely dump still. But like I said, I'm waiting for something clean. That's all I'm waiting for. Something price action to give me butter. You know, a high probability point of interest. That's really what I'm looking for. Honestly, I'm about to delete all this because why do I have so much? Why do I have so much numbers? Yeah, my bad. I'm definitely doing. That was back testing. So whatever. Yeah, cool. Fake out of there. So yeah. Draw like that, cause forget. Yeah. So I'll definitely be looking for some opportunities from up here, you know. Point of interest. Definitely. We could get some. I wouldn't say this was just, you know, this is so high probability to the point where we're gonna go up and push all the way down. We'll need a dump. I ain't gonna lie. We'll need things to just dump on us, to be honest, for it to do it. Because this is a big retracement. Notice, this is a big retracement. This is not no teeny tiny retracement that we can dump it. Nah, this is a pretty big retracement. And big retracements cause more than likely accumulation, consolidation, whatever you want to call it, right? So a big retracement like this, we could definitely consolidate in a box for a little bit. You know, probably, maybe, I don't know. But I do know. I'm just trying to get in the habit of not saying that. But yeah, we can definitely do that. We just have to see though what the market presents us. USD JPY. I'm pretty sure I have the same as like buys. Everything dumped, so you know I have the same buys for basically everything, to be honest. It's not one thing that really presented something crazy. It's going on a week. Potential for right gap. 3 days potential. We did take out this sell side, which is cool. I already had that marked down. That was a good little trade, you know. Now we're bouncing off of this order block, which is actually pretty interesting. I would say pretty interesting. Going on to the daily, bouncing off of this order block. Okay, interesting. Okay. What's buy side looking like? Let me see if we got. No, we didn't get no change to deliveries in 4 hour. On a 1 hour, obviously we did, but the lower the time frame, the less of the probability. Let me see this. So standard deviation to even up there. The probability of it going all the way up there, I don't know. Oh, nah, I don't know. The probability of it going, I don't know, going up there is, I'll probably say slim. I'll be shocked. Like I said, I'm just watching this stuff. I'm a spectator. I'm just trying to fit in with the market. I'm not trying to predict everything. I'm just trying to fit in where I could do my best on. So, but this order block is definitely. This order block is definitely something I like. It definitely looks clean. We can definitely get something off of here. Do I say we take out this? We could. 100%. Going on the monthly. We gotta take out this. Drop down to there. This order block. You know? And that'll be even better, to be honest. But definitely get some buy opportunities from this. But we're already looking like we're already going up. So going on to DXY, see if there's XMT this week. Okay, let's go on to data today. Data form no SMT. I don't think. Oh, we did. We do have SMT about. Okay, that's interesting. Got this bearish SMT, whatever you want to call it, but it's an SMT though. This means reversal. So we had that SMT going to the 1 hour. Oh, we could have this set up today. That's funny. You know, changing state delivery. Tap back into the change state delivery and pushed up to where? Probably aiming for OTE, you know. Retest back on the change state delivery. Perfectly. Aiming for, you know, just standard deviation more likely. Going to the 15-minute, seeing where it's their short-term low. Put my stops at. So this is the short-term low. So 1 to 2. That's cool. Okay. 1 to 2, so it's not bad at all. Retesting on that standard deviation. I mean, that's a standard deviation. Change the delivery. And then we pushed higher. That's cool. I did not see that setup today. You know? I'm saying, this is just, notice, this is just the plan. This is our plan, our strategy, you know? Could we say this is a craziest A+ setup of all time? No, but this is a trade which can, besides like maybe a 60 to 70% win rate. I haven't backtested so far. I haven't backtested, you know, a lot to the point I can to say the win rate. But honestly, I feel like if depending on who uses this and the intuition in the market, you know, they can definitely get this thing up to a good 90 to 80% win rate. Definitely, this is a good strategy or a trading plan, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Well, the question is, would I have taken that trade though, right? Would I have taken it? That's the question. We did get a change in state delivery, correct? SMT change in state delivery. So, what I just enter? Change the delivery, boom. I guess, yeah, I just would enter, to be honest. Would I enter right here? Stop loss. Fake it. You know, we're OT at, to be honest. If you to put it at that low, if I had, that'd be one to. Okay, that's interesting. So we would have hopped in there without the retest on the change state delivery. Go 1 to 2. Wait, this is interesting. Here's the GPY. Do we have anything on NAS? Let me think about it. Let me see if we got anything. We probably did, to be honest. Yeah, same thing. Got this order block. What am I doing? Got this order block. Honestly, you can mark this whole thing, to be honest. Forget. Man, I think it's a monthly, to be honest. It's a monthly. Yeah, this monthly order block right here. Create it. Do we have SMT? Dang, so we had it set up all along. Let me see. Where's find it? Day, cool. From this low. Okay, cool. So all along we had to set up the whole time. The whole time we had to set up SMT. 1 hour change to delivery. We had that. Boom. So basically the same setup. Change the delivery. Off it right here. Stop loss. At the low, I guess you can say. You know. And I'm aiming for auto. Standard deviation, so. Oh, it's perfectly in this, okay, cool. Now this is definitely, interesting. I would have wanted to shoot from 1 to 3, so 1 to 2, so. And let's put drag OT in that wick. Got that thing right below there, perfect. You know? Okay, that's cool, honestly. So we did have something. Would I have taken that trade? Absolutely not, to be honest. Why? We had this trading plan at the top. But look at these double freaking lows. Relative double lows, whatever you want to call it. Man, the stuff is absolutely outrageous. It's like to the point. They just letting retail traders just win. Honestly, they just didn't frig it. You guys want to retest in here? Go ahead. Bye. And then they won. Frick. Okay. Whatever floats your boat. But they only won because of this monthly order block, so we're pushing up off right now. So yeah, for sure, I would definitely be looking for buys. Sales tomorrow. More than likely. Let's see what we get. Let me see. So we do have the fair gap. 101%. Do have this fair gap. What's connect as a fake inverse? People would probably be taking buys off of. And I would see it too, because OTE overall is up in this bigger block, so and we know OTE is it's a strong point of interest if you use it right, So yeah, I'll be looking for sales from here. 100%. I don't think this monthly order block is gonna take us any freaking where, but just a little bounce. Because now, if you think about it, really, from this leg to the high, the stuff that I'm retracing the equilibrium, so that's automatically liquidity. That's why I have it at sell side. So yeah, I'm definitely still looking for sales, 100% overall. But that's interesting how we could have had, buy opportunities. But I have taken these, honestly. Let me look on YouTube if I can. I don't think I would have taken any of these today, to be honest. Straight to trading plan, if it's not, aligning with my intuition, I don't give a frick about the trade, to be honest. We have to change the state delivery. But at the same time, we have all these freaking relative equal lows all the way here, which is just, like I said, this is, I would have wanted to see a sweet change state delivery, and we would have been Gucci. Oh man, that would have been even better. But all this right here, the market is playing weird, because there's no way you're just leaving this liquidity. I guess it's just leaving this liquidity for the main. I guess it's leaving this liquidity for the main. What's the main draw on liquidity? I guess bounce off of the 2 to 2.5 maybe. And definitely most likely we trade down. 2 to 2.5 has a daily fair gap, so yeah, 101%. I'll be looking for sell opportunities from there. Plus, it has a lot of generated liquidity, a whole lot of buyers right here. So this fair value gap is more than likely to work out, to be honest. If we don't, we'll be retracing back in here, which I wouldn't have a problem with to begin with. So let me delete that. I wouldn't have a problem, to be honest. You know, because really we are in OT up here. Oh, and this is not my PD array. So we go look for sales, okay. But the strongest one is up here. I would like to see it come up here. That would definitely be. We would definitely have a big bounce off of here. But let's not get it twisted. We could definitely, you know, just be satisfied with this. Because going on 4 hour, that is a price leg. So, you know, that's just a daily. This is just a daily price leg right here. This whole thing is just a daily price leg. You know? So, but this doji candle already told me that we had a 4 hour leg right here. So, do we really need to reach this back up here? And I don't think so. I wouldn't want to see it do that, to be honest. Because if we trace all the way back here, like I said, the bigger the retracing, the more likely the consolidation. You know? So I want to see just this, to be honest. But also, okay, cool. So yeah, we're not gonna do too much. Had this SMT, but frick that SMT. You feel me? Let's stick to our shot. You know, let's stick to what we want to see. To be honest, you know, call it whatever you want to call it. Inverse 2 to 2.5. Also, we're asking out for there too. We could, you know. One thing about it, I don't want to be greedy. This is where the overbought bands start coming in. So overall bands, overbought, oversold bands. Okay, this is interesting. So we're overbought on the weekly, terribly overbought. What's caused us to crash down. So yeah, I definitely want to see us come back into this range. You know, cause like I said, every time it's overbought, it comes back in a range. If it's oversold, it comes back into the range. To this, you know. So okay, cool. You know, it's not too bad. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let me see something real quick. So it was overbought right here. We had EMA. The EMA cross where? Right here? Okay, cool. Let's see something real quick. The EMA cross right there. Stop loss at the high. And EMA 4. Seen for here. Don't want to bet now. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, this is a strategy in itself. Let's not get it twisted. I use these for stocks, options. You know, this is a strategy within itself. You know, but I don't like relying on it because of the risk to a ratio. But something like, you know, options and stocks and, you know, different things, I like to use it, especially for things I just like to buy all the time. So we're gonna get this out of here quick. Get off my screen. So yeah, for sure. I must be dreaming. So we are in equilibrium. Cool. And yeah. Okay, cool. We're in LT with this too. So yeah. Sell opportunities. I just really don't like this retracement though, but you know, let me see this. Where are we at on this leg? Okay, hit OTE. Definitely hit OTE right here, 100%. This is hilarious right here though. Let me see this. Let me see this thing. Let me see this thing. You know. Well, things where there's not too much liquidity sweeps is definitely liquidity. Because if we're just creating, listen, this is what they call trendline liquidity. I don't, call it what you want. Things are just making higher highs and higher lows. Oh my gosh. That means, let's talk about it. Buyers right here. Buyers right here. Buyers right here. Let's talk about a whole lot of buyers. And this one spot, so all I'm looking at right here, buyer, on to the next, buyer, on to the next, buyer, on to the next, buyer. Man, we got so much buyers. On to the next, buyer. We're not sweeping liquidity anytime soon. Like, we're not sweeping liquidity at all. We're not taking out any buyers. We're just doing our own thing. What the heck? Buyer. So look at this. Listen, the market was this easy today. All you had to do was just buy. Buy this. Buy right here. Another retracement. Buy each order block. You would have made money. Sadly, like, look at this thing. Buy. Chase back. 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 Buy. Man, I'm looking at a whole bunch of liquidity. As a matter of fact, we might dump. Most likely are gonna dump off of this. Mark this as sell side immediately. Oh my gosh. Man, oh man, oh man. I've never seen so many buyers in one spot. Look at these people's stop losses too. Like, everybody got their stop loss. Right, these lows. Thinking they safe. Watch tomorrow. You finna feel so fire. Tomorrow, I'm telling you. Man, that's just giving me more confidence in this trade. Man, take out these people. Man, dump 101%. Man, I like to see it. What's this? Fair value gap. Yeah. Let's just get this off because I already took that out. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Let's keep it up, to be honest. Give me a pass. Oh, yeah, this is definitely hilarious. I can't wait. We finna dump like crazy. I might actually use this indicator, the accumulation manipulation, tomorrow, to be honest. Cause this thing been doing this work lately, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see if it worked today. Sure freaking did. Accumulation, manipulate it, and distribute it like a mother frick. Yep. All we have to do is just drag it from this candle. Stop loss right here. So all we have to do is just place our order right here. Stop loss below the 2.5. Aiming for 1 to 3 minimum. Wow. Get out of trade right there. The stuff been doing this work lately, so I'm gonna definitely tap into that. I'm gonna keep it on just in case. Just in case I forget. But yeah, I know what the frick I'm looking for tomorrow. But look at this. This is how simple trading is too. This is so funny. This is how simple this stuff is. You know, just having an average buy model. Let me go, or whatever. I hate calling this stuff a buy model because I haven't watched one ICT video explaining any type of buy model. I just hear people call it a buy model, so that's what's kind of throwing me off, bro. Like, the frick, that's a buy model. Are you sure we're on a 15 minute? The frick? Where are we at? So right here. No, SMT. Okay, right here. SMT. SMT at this low. SMT. Simple. This is all I look for on a high time frame. This is all I look for. It's all I look for. The stuff is simple. Draw your little things just to have a little fun. Just to have a little fun. Just to make it look like we're taking something serious. You know. Got the buy model here. You know, we got the accumulation. And then we got another accumulation. So now we just, you know, whatever buy model you see in this. I forgot what they call this thing. I don't really know. All we do going to 1 minute. SMT. I probably would have stayed till the 5 minutes, to be honest. It's tough. Yeah, I like the 5 minute better. Maybe the 3 minute, just for the fun of it, to be honest. Not 5 minute, forget. I like how smooth it is. Changing state delivery. Perfection. Retest on the changing state delivery. Let's talk about it, bro, because this is how simple it is. Changing state delivery. Retest on the changing state delivery. Bought right here. Stop loss. I'll probably say at OTE. At OTE. At OTE. So, right here. Don't ask me why. Just know how this stuff works. And then shooting for... Where the frick is that stuff? Shooting for... Take broad shoots right here at 1 to 2. Overall shooting for this high. Let's talk about it, player. Let's talk about, and we're reversing off at this 2 to 2.5. Retracing where? Going to 15 minute. I would say. Retracing to equilibrium. You know, so. Oh my gosh, this stuff is sexy. Let's just put it that way. That's a 1 to 3. And that's all I look for. High time frame, fair value gap, or no, high time frame, point of interest. Everything's a point of interest. Fair value gap is a point of interest. A point where you should be interested in a setup. Order block, point of interest. So high time frame, point of interest. Creating an SMT. Changing state delivery, hop in. As simple as that. Also, having the experience in the market and it aligning with your intuition. That's all it is. Don't hop in there. Like I said, depending on who uses this, it depends on the win rate. If you know the market and you've seen this stuff many times, you would know. Look at this. For example, this stuff was high probability. Why? If you would ask me, I'll probably just say, buys right here. That didn't get swept. Buys right here. You know, you get the gist of it. Also, buys right here. Buying, and guess what we did? The big word, mitigated. Forget. Sweep them. You know, take out everybody's stop loss. Sweep the lows. Which caused this fair value gap to be even higher probability. Now we just rocking it off of there, so that's cool and all. Creating SMT. The stuff is sexy. But yeah. Let's just delete that though. We don't care about this trash man. That's tough. Just a couple minutes ago you couldn't have a whole setup. Just like that, you know? telling you, don't ask me if I'm a scalper or if I'm a swing trader. Don't ask me a motherfucking thing. I'm everything. I'm a trader that makes money. I'm not a trader that scalps. I'm not a trader that swing trades. I'm a trader that makes money, bro. Whatever you wanna call it, bro. I'm just a trader that makes money. If I see an A+ setup on a motherfucking 12-month, you best believe I'm taking that setup on the 12-month. So see it on 3-month, I'm taking it on a 3-month. I'm telling you right now. Think I won't. Now I think about looking at this, we could dump all the way. Oh my gosh, that's a dangerous thought. Tune in next time. Oh my gosh, now that I'm looking at this, we could dump. If we close the 3 months below here, oh my gosh, best believe, that would be very, very dangerous. But we're not gonna talk about it.